We'll start here with the materials that we're going to use to make everything. So I already cut one of these to make sure it all fit. And what we've got is our pipes, the joints for the pipes, and all the other materials that we're going to use, including some tape to tighten up some area that could stick out, some zip ties for the net. I've got these little clasps here that I'm going to try to use to make hooks for the zip ties, and I'm just going to use some spray adhesive. I had some PVC cement that is looks like it hardened up, so I can't use it anymore. These are our measurements. So I measured each of these pipes. These all fit nicely together, but those are the measurements that we'll use, and that's what we'll cut. I'm going to cut a fresh set so that I have 2 goals to play on. But that is our kit. Next up, we're going to look at the tools that are needed for how I'm going to put this together. I've got this table with a miter saw hooked to it. So this saw is awesome. This will make very fast work of these PVC cuts. And then all I really need is a drill for securing the toggle bolts that we're going to use to keep things on, a little knife to cut the netting, and then a pencil and some measuring tape to measure the PVC pipes. That's all we got. So when we're making these PVC cuts, typically I'm just drawing a line and then taking this down to meet it, make sure it works. One thing I found is you got to have a lot of leverage. This saw isn't always designed to do this, so you got to have a lot of leverage on the left side. Otherwise it'll snap if you try to make cuts that are too small. So be very careful if you're doing the miter saw, and opt for more PVC with longer sides on the end.
It works?
Yep. Whenever I have enough size, that's what I do. You're doing it. So for these little holes, I kind of made these little pilot starters. They don't go all the way through, but then I'll end up pushing this and just trying to drive that screw in so I can hook the net there.
What is the phone for?
Well, you gotta do close-up shots and
Backup shots.
yeah. I think I've never heard that one before. Okay, well, that works. That works, right?
I don't think it's gonna work that well.
Yeah.
It might.
Yeah,
Never know.
it's pretty sweet, right?
Maybe we have to use the electric lead to like keep it.
Good one.
I don't know how to stay on. How am I gonna do that?
Jimmy, catch it. Good.
I don't really know. Done.
Okay.
Oh,
All right. So,
no,
tight on the top.
No, you don't. You do.
Okay, we'll put the zip tie off. I need to give me a bunch of zip tie, but
Bunch of glue.
get one right. Yeah, you know, I think it's hard to walk when the privacy go there. What's that? Take forever. Actually, this would be a good idea. Okay, you all ready? Good. There we go. We got a little bunched up net in the bottom there, but I think that'll be fine. We can trim that off. But I think we're in good shape. It's going to be a tight net on there. We'll go give it a whirl.